Hello everyone. Today in this video I would like to show around the ship's navigation bridge, how we navigate the ships. So in this video we will show the all around the navigational equipments, the parts of the navigational equipments and what are the usage of the navigational equipment. So let's move around the bridge from where we navigate the ships. We will show the navigational equipments all around the ships. So this all about the
Gyro compass, the most important part of the to steer the ships. So with the help of gyro compass we set the course, which course we are going to set. This is the gyro compass and this is the auto steering panel. So this one we can is hand steering, this one helm. From here we can change to auto to hand steering, and this one in the magnetic compass value, and here you can see the magnetic compass. We can see from here the magnetic compass, and this is the gyro. So this all about the gyro compass. From here this is the most critical equipment of the ships. So this all about the gyro. These are the repeaters of gyro compass. There are 3 repeaters, one center repeater, one port side repeater and one starboard side repeater. So you can say this one repeaters, and this one the main gyro, and the repeaters are this one, and another one is port wing, and you can see that another one is starboard wing. So these all are the repeaters. One repeaters are this one. These repeaters are used to get the direction of the ships. There are various manuals and procedures written are in case of emergency how we use the gyro failure. There are various alarms of gyro, so all are mentioned in these posters. So normally every equipments we have given the posters so that in case of emergency we use. So there are 3 modes of steering. One is hand steering, one is auto steering, and one is NFU, non follow up. This one is non follow up. In non follow up steering we steer the ship in the same way the ship is going until we put this mode on that non follow up. This all about the gyro, and this one is magnetic compass, which is located on the top of the Monkey Island. So this all about the gyro compass and magnetic compass. So we'll now discuss to the some other equipments. This one Navtex receivers. So from here we can receive the different types of weather messages. There are different Navtex stations like A, Alpha, A, B, D, L. They give the details about the weather message and all other information. Here you can see get the alarms also, different types of, if like some cars, some ships gets man overboard, you can get the alarm and message from here also. So different types of weather message and all kinds of in here around your ships we get from the Navtex receivers. So this all about the Navtex receivers. This is VHF. You can say that VHF is one of the most important and critical equipment to communicate the other ships, and you can say that we can send the distress in this also. So there are 2 VHF receivers on board, one this one and another one is this one. So this one is Navtex receivers, this one also VHF receiver. So we can call it here with different types of channels through which we communicate to other ships and to near around vessels and to like some pilot stations, and we can also call to the like some traffic agent, TSS control. So there are different channels are there. Here we can set the channels through here squelch and the volume buttons of VHF receivers. Here through this VHF receiver also we can send the distress message by this button. So this one normally put closed. When we need to open, we not open and press the undesignated distress message will go through this. So this one or VHF receiver. So there are 2 VHF receivers on board every ships. This one requirement, IMO requirements, number 1 this one, and this one another one number 2 this one. So there are 2 VHF receivers. We can call it through the other ships like this by pushing up this handset, and we can call to the other ships. through this we can send the DSC message also, and we can send the distress message also. So this is all about the VHF receivers on the ships. This is AIS. The AIS is the critical equipment through which we get the list of ships near around vessels. This is works on the principle of various types of ships, and in this equipment we get the details of all the ships. We get the range, how much distance the ships are located, and the details of length and bearing, and which type of ships are that, and their destination. All this information we get through this AIS information, and AIS is connected to the ECDIS also. So we get all the information of ships to other ships to AIS into ECDIS also. So this is AIS. We get the AIS information like static information and dynamic information. So there are different types of information we can get from AIS. One is static information, that is called like ship's name, length, IMO number, call sign. All these types of details we get from, that is static information. And another information, that is dynamic information, that is like ship's speed, the course or ground, speed or ground. All this kind of information we get through dynamic information. So all these details, so near around 20 to 30 vessels we get that information in that AIS. So this all about the AIS. You can say that overview of navigational bridge. You can see the overview of navigation bridge, how it looks like. From here the whole ships are controlled. So there are the controlling power of the navigation bridge. So from here we can control the ships, gyro, and all the panels, switch lights are listed here. So these are all the panels from which we can switch on the switch off the lights. There are steering gear panels, and this one echo sounders. We will discuss about that navigational lights. There are different types of lights, and all the lights panels are here. This one switch canal lights, and all the GMDSS equipments. Here we can see the GMDSS equipments. So these all are the GMDSS console. From here we can send the distress message, and we can send the GMDSS radio console. So this one Inmarsat C, and this one MFHF, and all the this one weather facsimile, and this one the ship's computer. So this one chart table. This all about the overview of the bridge, where here we can say that navigational lockers. Inside we have the all life jacket, immersion suit and all, and this one electrical room, this one banvas. So all about this bridge overview. You can see this our bridge, how it looks. This one ECDIS, 2 radars, 2 ECDIS, and that telegraphs are there, from where we can communicate to the engine room. So these are telegraphs. This one from we get command to the increase our ship's speed. So this all about telegraph. This one telephone, through we can call to the ships and other parts. So this all about the overview of bridge. You can see there are bridge overview. So this all about the bridge overview.